Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Tamarika, but you can call me Tam. Today's video will be a super productive, clean and organized with me. This is the first video of my house to home series, and as you can tell from the intro, we are getting our floors installed. But do not forget that you can turn this video on any of your devices and clean with me, or you can watch now and get motivation for later. Either way, let's get to cleaning.
To be embracing our insecurities, better to cry and set us free. Yeah. Oh no, we're running out of space between good and bad, running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I, you and I've done my part, no reason left to keep you. Let the thought of us wither.
I recorded as much as I could because I did not want to get in their way, but I wanted to come and give you guys the details about the flooring. It is from a company called PROVENZA. I would like to thank them so much for collabing with me on my house to home series. I will link all of their information down below and also the direct link to the flooring. The flooring is called First Crush. It is LVP and it looks and feels just like real wood. I love the fact that some of the planks are light and others are dark, so it gives the room some dimension. And I am so glad that we went with this flooring because it elevated the space. Everything is brighter and also bigger. I cannot wait to show the finished results with you guys, so make sure you stay tuned for that. I would also like to give a shout out to the contractors. They did an amazing job and he will be doing some more projects in the house. I will link his information down below also.
Fingers, as the bad inside me lingers. Oh no, we're running out of space between good and bad, running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I, you and I, you and I. I hear you breathe, but I can't see if you're right here next to me. Something's wrong, wasn't it fun? Is it now we're done? You get dressed, I'm like a mess, and you tell me to confess, and you tell me to confess. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me, because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without me. Running fast, never look back. Now we're over, that's a fact. Phasing light, see it all bright. You were never right. Back to life, I apologize. Too soon to say I'm fine. Too soon to say.
If this is your first time clicking on my video, I would like to thank you, and I would also like to introduce myself. My name is Tamarika. I am a graphic designer, military wife, and also a boy mom. And on my channel, you will find cleaning, organization, and also some home decor inspiration. If this is something that you would enjoy, please consider subscribing because I would love for you to join my YouTube family.
Savior, nothing you do can save us, can save us. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without me. So are you happy now? Things just got so crazy from a simple maybe. It was a long way down. I just feel so heavy without you. Everything we
For toy organization in the loft, I have this idea of creating my own built-ins, and I came across these at Target. They were 50% off, so I purchased all of the ones that they had left in the store to put along this wall that you guys see right here.
like disco lights on and on. The dance floor where I met you, I dance all alone. Nothing left to prove, yeah, I'm dancing till my feet can feel the ground. Wishing I still dance with I feel so lonely now, walking through the cold streets where you used to hold me. You know it's been a while, ever since I saw you. Oh baby, everything we were was just so pretty, pretty enough to almost make me blind. Still denying everything you told me. I'll repeat it in my mind. All our memories goes on and on, flashing up like disco lights on and on. The dance floor where I met you, I dance all alone. Nothing left to prove, yeah, I'm dancing till my feet can feel the ground. Wishing I still dance with dance with you. I wanted to dance until my feet can feel the ground. Put your hands on my back, boy. Lead me to the brightest of my days. Wrap your arms around me, boy. Give me all the comfort that I crave, and I will follow you anywhere, anywhere you go. I'll follow you.
If you have made it this far in the video and you have not hit that like button yet, please do so now, because it helps my channel out so much, and it also lets me know that you guys enjoy videos like this. If you are new here and you have not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and comment below to introduce yourself.
Put your lips against mine, boy.
Caleb's room is never messy, you guys. And I think it's because if you guys are a day one, you know my boys shared a room when we lived in Texas. And now that they have separate rooms, I find Caleb always being in Tristan's room. So hopefully pretty soon he'll be okay with sleeping in his own room.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide.
The before shot of my living room and kitchen was earlier in the morning, and while I was upstairs putting together the bookcases for the loft, the boys had a blast downstairs.
If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning.
I have been receiving tons of gifts from off our housewarming registry, and I wanted to come and thank you guys. I would love to thank Tegan, Robin, and also Donna. Thank you guys for purchasing these, and I cannot wait to use them in my kitchen organization video, which will be coming pretty soon. So make sure you have those bells on so you would not miss it.
I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light.
Every time I come into my pantry, I get upset because it is not organized the way that I want it. I cannot wait to get all of my bins so it will be aesthetically pleasing when I open the door.
I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
We've had this conversation and you seem to agree with me. But when there's complications, you withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem, you become like a wall. And every time I trip, it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be
now that I have new flooring, I went and purchased a cedar mop from Target, and I'm using the boiling water method that I got from my friend Mummy and Decorate Ryan Michelle. I will link her channel down below for you guys to check out. I added some Dawn dish soap and also some Odoban. But I wanted to come and tell you guys, the day after our floors were installed, I was being a very sweet mommy and I purchased the boys some slime and they got it all over the floors.
Hope you believe in us. Please don't give up on me. At least give me a try. 'Cause you're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing that I've ever had. You're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing. 'Cause you're the As I'm walking to your place, I'm shaking. I am picturing the words in my mind. I cannot stand losing you. No, I will fight. 'Cause I believe in us. I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us. Please don't give up on me. At least give me a try. It's like you almost know what I am thinking. 'Cause I believe in us. I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. 'Cause you're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing that I've ever had. You're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing. 'Cause you're the best thing that I've ever had. Best thing, best thing. Best thing that I've ever had. Best thing, best thing. So are you happy now? Things just got so crazy from a simple maybe. It was a long way down. I just feel so heavy without you.
Now on to day 2 of this super productive clean and organize with me. I will be cleaning out the fridge and reorganizing everything, and I will also be tackling some laundry.
I'll repeat it in my mind. All our memories goes on and on, flashing up like disco lights on and on. The dance floor where I met you, I dance all alone. Nothing left to prove, yeah, I'm dancing till my feet can feel the ground. Wishing I still dance with you. Dance with you, I wanted to dance until my feet can feel the ground. He got these yellow brown eyes and a smile on his face when he tells me he wants me. Confirm the feelings I can hide when I dance and I sway with his arms tight around me. And sure I mess it up a little later on, but just for now I'll keep dancing. He and his yellow brown eyes and the smile at this point got the air feeling vibrant. Yeah, got the air feeling vibrant. Feels like the ceiling is high in this club, 'cause right now every move gets me soaring. And when the music's so loud I can't speak, but I sure like to feel it when he's near me. Now ain't it typical, I'm so predictable, but just for now I'll keep dancing. Here with these yellow brown eyes and the smile at this point really gets me excited. 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 So vibrant.
And that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this super productive, clean, and organized with me, and it gave you all the motivation you need to tackle your home. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that bell so you don't miss any of my latest uploads. And I hope you guys have a great day.